Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use backgrounds from CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your track, and you're just going to select cutout here and select auto cutout. If the background is a green screen, select chroma key and select the green bit and adjust the settings later on. So go to basic, scroll down until you find canvas. Select from these styles color. For instance, you want like a pink background, you can do that, or you can choose style, which shows you like different backgrounds that are super cute for your videos. I like this one. I also like this one a lot, but just add it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!